Hi, I'm Will McKenzie from the Professionals Geraldton, and today I'm here with
Angelina from Smartline Mortgage Brokers.
And she's going to be answering some of the most commonly asked questions that we get from buyers in relation to mortgages and finance. Alright, Ange, we get a lot of first home buyers coming into the professionals, and they want to know, is there any incentive schemes or grants at the moment being provided by the government?
At the moment, yes, there is. You will have stamp duty waived if you buy a property up to $430,000.
Yeah.
And if you build, you've got the incentive for the additional $10,000 first homeowners grant. There is some other incentives in regards to lenders' mortgage insurance.
Yep.
If you're going through a mainstream bank, but there's sort of limited places on that scheme, but they do guarantee the mortgage insurance costs, so you don't have to pay it.
And that's quite a saving sometimes too.
Quite substantial,
Yeah.
especially if you've only got a 5% deposit.
Exactly. Also, Ange, I believe there's been some changes to the credit rating system that the banks use now.
The banks now have what we call comprehensive credit reporting. It actually shows conduct on all of your current facilities for the last 2 years. So even if you were behind, 18 months ago and you've caught up, that will affect your credit score. And so it is something that people need to be very mindful of.
For sure,
Yes,
yeah. And is it not just with your bank, if you have outstanding or previous loans with other banks, are they now actually talking to each other as well?
Every bank does a credit report and that will come up, and then they can see your conduct with another bank,
Yeah.
and they can make a decision on the loan
The
application.
loan itself, yeah. I guess, Ange, one of the things we've been noticing lately with the banks taking longer than normal to approve loans, having your paperwork and documents and everything ready to go at the time you're making an offer is a big thing now. Can you expand on that a little bit?
There is a lot more paperwork than you've ever needed before to do a loan application. A lot of people throw their bank statements in the bin, don't know where their birth certificate is. Where is my group certificate? I don't know where to find that. So at least if you've spoken to somebody prior to making an offer, you can get all of that documentation ready to go, because in this market, you've got to be ready.
Got to be quick, that's right. Angelina, at what stage should a buyer come and speak to their mortgage broker about getting pre-approval or checking on how much lending power they'll have?
I think it's very important that they do that before they go shopping. There's a lot of unknown commodities now that get taken into account with a loan application.
Yeah.
We work out for you how much you can borrow, we work out which lender you can end up going with, and we help you line everything up so that when you do find the house that you want, everything falls into place.
Does it cost anything to come and talk to a mortgage broker and for your services?
No, it doesn't. The banks actually pay us. It's a separate pool of money because we do all the work, we're independent, and we've got a big panel of lenders, so every bank has a different criteria, and we work out which is going to be the best option for you.
Excellent, that's a great deal, isn't it?
It is, it costs you nothing.